G'day guys, been a little while since I've done a video, been a little bit busy lately, so today I'm going to be turning out some potatoes I planted about 3 months ago in a root pouch. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first of all I'm just going to snip all the top bits off, and then we'll have a little bit of rummage around and see what we can find in here. I try to turn it up, but it's about probably 100 kilos, I don't want to really lift it by myself, so let's get snipping. Just scrape the top bits off.
That's a good sign.
We've got some potatoes. There's a lot of small ones at the bottom there. Oh yeah. Yeah, pouch empty. Oh. I think that all that rain we've had not been too good for them.
The ones you're getting out look good.
Actually getting some nice looking spuds out of that. Not going to be a bumper harvest, but yeah. I don't know if that's a seed. That must be the seed potato. Okay, so the two seed potatoes I had in this root pouch was the organic shelf potatoes just from the local supermarket. They're just a Dutch cream. And I bought a seed potato, certified seed potato from a hardware store. And that one was a Pontiac potato. And judging by this round of potatoes, the organic store-bought one actually did a lot better than what the one from the actual certified seed potato from the hardware done. So next time I do the potatoes, I'll probably stick to doing the organic shelf potato, or just for us at home anyway, because it looks to be, although they're not as big, it looks to be like triple the amount of potatoes come out of the organic shelf potatoes, as opposed to the certified seed potatoes. I only got, I would roughly estimate 500 grams, and out of the Dutch creams I reckon there's probably close to about 1.2 to 1.4 kilos there. So yeah, they're both grown in the same soil conditions, both had the same temperatures throughout the day and same amount of water, although we did have a lot of rain this past month or two, so I don't know if that's altered the growth pattern or the ability for them to grow. So I'll clean these up and do a weight and show you guys a little bit later in the video how much we got. Hey guys, this is a sneaky little giveaway. This is for the loyal followers that watched to the end of the video. We're going to run a little competition where you can win one of these beautiful new One Man's World hats. It'll be posted to you anywhere around the globe. It'll be drawn on the 1st of December 2017, and all you have to do is comment in the comment section below the two varieties of potatoes we used. You do have to be subscribed to enter the competition. You can have your choice of either a grey or a black hat, and I'll be in contact with the winners around the 1st or 2nd of December to announce the winner of the hat, and we'll be posting them around that date as well to anywhere in the globe.